Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today's video we will be opening this TCG lightning box. Excuse me, I found this at Walgreens and it has 4 packs and 1 extra card, but I bought this one specifically because it has a really good pack selection. It has Hidden Fates, 2 Unbroken Bonds, and then it has an Evolutions pack as well. So it was, I don't know if I said this already, it was $20. And the Hidden Fates pack is like, what, $10 by itself? So it was definitely a really good value. This is my first time ever opening one of these lightning boxes. First time ever buying one as well. Alright, let's get all these packs out, and I think we got something decent for the extra card. We got a Reverse Valley card. Here, let me move this down a little bit so I can see the cards myself. But yeah, Reverse Valley card, I think that's from Celestial Storm. I'm not positive though. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Unbroken Bonds packs, the Evolution pack, and then do the Hidden Fates pack last. I actually have not opened any of these sets in quite a while. Alright, so it's got a green code card, so I'm just gonna go through it. Pikachu, Ghastly, Per Ugly. Alright. Oh, here's the code card. Alright, on to the next pack. See if we can get a white code card. We do not have a white code card. Oh, I need to get in the habit of showing these at the beginning. We got a Squirtle. So yeah, nothing in that one either. Alright. On to the Evolutions pack. Let's see if we can get anything. Oh, we got a white code card. I'm pretty sure Evolutions packs can be weighed to determine if there's a white or a green code card in them. What is this? 3. I'm pretty sure they can be weighed, so, and this is a third-party product, so because we got a white code card, I assume there's been no tampering. There's that code right there. Alright, let's see what we can get it. We got a Machoke, Coffee, Ponyta, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, a Reverse Hollow Dugtrio. Ooh, that's pretty nice. We got a Mega Blastoise EX. That's a nice card right there. Alright, let me put this one to the side. I'll sleeve it up after I'm done recording. And now, the Hidden Fates pack. I haven't opened up Hidden Fates in a while, not since I bought all those 10s from Target. Let's see, 4. Alright, let's see what we can get. Got a Graveler, Jinx, Pikachu, Charmander, Reverse Hollow Chansey, so unfortunately no shiny card, and a Jesse and James Hollow. So that was a dud pack. So pretty much our best pull was the I just dropped it, sorry. Pretty much our best pull was the Mega Blastoise EX out of that. But yeah, in the next video I'll probably be opening up another 3-pack of Burning Shadows, 3-pack blister of Burning Shadows. So make sure to tune into that once it comes out, and thanks for watching.